Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Those who want to gain their welfare should respectfully hear Sai Baba's Leelas or stories and meditate on them. If they do this, they will easily attain the object of their life and get bliss. Sai says, wealth is really a means to work out dharma. If one uses it merely for personal enjoyment, it is vainly spent. In the last video, we saw how Ratanji was blessed by Baba with an issue. In this video, let's see a few points about collection of Dakshina by Baba. Dakshina. It is a well-known fact that Baba used to ask Dakshina from the people who went to see him. Somebody may ask a question. If Baba was a fakir and perfectly unattached, why should he ask for Dakshina and care for money? For that, Baba has told to Shyama once that, I take nothing from anybody. The Masjid Mai, the presiding deity of the masjid, calls for the debt. The donor pays it and becomes free. Baba did not ask Dakshina of all. If someone gave Dakshina unasked, he sometimes accepted it and at other times refused it. He asked it of certain devotees only. He never demanded it from those devotees who thought in their mind that Baba should ask for it and then they should pay it. If anybody offered it against his wish, he never touched it, and if he kept it there, he asked him to take it away. He asked for small or big amount from devotees according to their wish, devotion and convenience. He never asked of all rich for it, nor of all the poor. In order to teach the devotees the lesson of charity and to remove their attachment to money and thus to purify their minds, Baba extracted Dakshina from them. But there was this peculiarity, as Baba said that he had to give back 100 times more of what he received. Out of the amount collected as Dakshina, Baba spent very little for his own sake, and all the rest he distributed as charity to various persons. Baba always used to get wild and scolded those who bought any costly and rich articles. He said that all his property consisted of one stray piece of cloth, one kafni and a tumbling. And all the people troubled him with bringing all these unnecessary costly articles. Mr. Dev has also quoted passage from the Gita and Upanishad and shown that charity given in a holy place or to a holy personage conduces to the donor's welfare. What is more holy than Shirdi and its presiding deity, Sai Baba? Bow to Shri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.